Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Jerry the artist, and today, before I start posting my art videos, I'm going to show you how to create a stylus. And as we know, a stylus is a sort of pen that is used to write on tablets, on phones, on Android phones, that is touchscreen phones, or any touchscreen equipment. In this age, you have a lot of smartphones, but you find that we don't have stylus, and for most artists, it's hard because most phones or tablets don't come with styluses. You have to use your fingers, because everything is a touch screen. So instead of that, I'm going to show you how to create a stylus. And in this episode, you're only going to use an antenna. When I say an antenna, I mean a radio antenna, the one that is used to bring the signal towards the radio. So this one is used up, or you can use any metal tube as long as it's thin enough. In my case, I'm going to use this antenna. Or if you have such a brush, you can remove this tip so that you can have just a hollow tube. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to create yes, the stylus. So let's go. So in order to make it as simple as possible, you're only going to need a cotton bud, or you can call it an earbud, a cotton bud that is, and this piece of antenna or any hollow tube. So basically, when you touch your screen, that is, you see that it moves. What makes that happen is that electrons are transferred from our fingers to the screen. But when you take any equipment, like maybe a piece of wood, and try touching on the screen, it doesn't respond because the electrons are not transferring. Electrons do not transfer from non-conductors. But when you have a piece of metal like this, electrons surely will transfer. So to make this, it's so simple. We're going to take the tip out of this cotton bud. Just take it out. Yeah, just try pulling it out. So after pulling it out, make it soft, make it have a tip like softness. After doing that, it's so simple, I'm telling you, so simple. Do you see that hollow? This is a hollow tube. Do you see that hollow? So next, you just insert the cotton on your tube like that. Make the tip. There you have it. When you do this, you already have your stylus. So what you're going to do, you add a little drop of water to it. So I'm going to take my water and dip the stylus in there. Press it a little bit. Take the excess water out. And voila, you have your stylus. So let's experiment and see if it works. In this case, I'm going to use a calculator. So let's see if it works. So let's take like 6 multiplied by 6. What do we get? No, sorry for that. 6 multiplied by 6. 36. Actually, it works. You can see you can write any numbers you want. So you have your stylus. And that is the simplest way to DIY your stylus at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video so that you may not miss out the next videos that I'm going to post out. By the way, I'm sorry for this light. It's a reflection from my light. It's too much today, but I promise to rectify on that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.